Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need a Google account with two-step verification and a verified email so you can manage billing securely. Next, have your legal name, address, and tax information at hand because Google asks for accurate identity data. Finally, be ready to pay the one-time $25 developer registration fee. You'll enter a payment method during sign-up. Once these are ready, go to the Google Play console and start the developer account creation flow. Now configure the payments backbone. Create a Google Payments merchant account inside Play console so you can receive purchase revenue. Enter your bank details and preferred currency and choose a payout schedule that matches your accounting cycle. Make sure to complete required tax forms, W-9 for U.S. entities or W-8 variants for foreigners, and upload any identity verification documents Google requests. These steps prevent payment holds, so verify entries carefully. If something looks off, correct it before publishing. Finish by creating your paid app or in-app product listings and assigning clear pricing and territories so users see accurate costs. Once listings exist, use internal testing tracks with test purchase accounts to simulate buys and confirm receipts, subscription flows, and fulfillment. After publishing, monitor the payment center for pending payouts or account holds. If payments are withheld, check tax and bank info immediately. If purchases fail, rerun tests and review Play console warnings to resolve verification or policy issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.